Hello everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 14th, 2022, because we have only one regular puzzle. This is the Sudoku medium. There's no additional, no extra puzzle, so I've decided to solve or finish the edition of Wednesday. This is the yesterday edition, Wednesday, April the 13th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, and two puzzles are left. Sudoku with 2 stars and the tectonic with 1 star. But now it's time for the 2 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 4408. 4408. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Yes, all right. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. In the first column, we have 2 given numbers, the 1 and the 4. But one of the missing number here is the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 3. No 3 there. Here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, or there. Another 3 in the first row, another 3 in the second row. So no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We see here a 9 in the middle column. So no 9 in these 2 boxes here. 9 in this row. So no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Okay. 1, 6, 5, 6, 7, 3 3 missing numbers. In this big square, those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this column. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Okay. Then. How about the number? In the last column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there in the last column. Could be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Now we have 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the third row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row are both. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Right. Okay. We have a pair. Yeah. 4 and a 9 in this row. Third row. 4 and a 9 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 4 and a 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. But we have also a 4 and a 9 in the first column. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 4 and a 9. 9 or the 4. Okay. So let me see. 5. Okay. Let me see. 1, 6, 8. 1. Then. 2 missing numbers. In the last column, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2, 5, 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 it goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. All right. 1, 2, 8. Let me see. 2 numbers left in the last row. And those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Oh, wait. Then 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row. The 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. We have a 6. Oh, there are 6 in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the first row. 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1. It should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. I'm collecting those data. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. And more than 8 weeks I have collected. After 10 weeks I will share you with the data. We have here the 9, 6, and 7. 9, 6, and 7. 3, 2, and 8. 3, 2, and 8. And 7, 3, and 1. 7, 3, and 1. We have here, I believe, 2 pairs. The 7 as a pair and a 3 as a pair. 2 pairs. All right. Thank you. And see you in a minute with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.